Diversity too. Something's going on with my AC, so I am ready to go to war with my system here. I got my old delivery kit system here, my gauges and everything. That stuff's old. You can see it. A knob is missing, but it still works fine. Got my pump to get air out of my system. I got all my fader valve pins. Been having those for years. And you're going to need this universal AC gasket kit. Got that from Morales. And I got my expansion valves off of eBay. Really cheap stuff. I'm going to need these tools to get your Schrader valve out. Diversity 2, taking this starter out of this Expedition. We've got, let's see, gotta get those bolts out. Look like the ground here. And I gotta get this bolt right here. Zoom in on that one. That one out. And this ground. Gotta get that top bolt off. There's another one behind there that's connected to the starter. Going into the bell housing. That one out. Right there. And there's a hidden one that I'm going to get to. These two were holding the expansion valve to the firewall, or to the expansion valve itself through the firewall. Had to use a T25 to get those out. Make sure you get the right, make sure it fits, because you don't want to strip them out. T25 to get these two out. Star bolts. These two were holding the expansion valve to the firewall, or to the expansion valve itself through the firewall. Had to use a T25 to get those out. Make sure you get the right, make sure it fits, because you don't want to strip them out. T25 to get these two out. Star bolts. A lube up the pulley. I think I'm going to lose up my pulley. Got my lines cleaned up. I'm just going to lift up on here. I can work this out. I just need a nut to get to this. I don't need to take the whole thing out. I repaired my harness that I had to clip off because I wasn't sure how it came off. But now I know. Press that tab, pull back, bam. Well, now you know. But it's going to go back just fine. Got it rewired. Placing the O-ring, I got a pick. Put a pick there. Stick him under there and lift him up off of there, like that. Okay, diversity to get into my expansion valve, I had to Take this bracket off, the 5/16 bolt that was holding this bracket down, clamping these two together, and took the bolts out of this, the line here, 13 socket, got that out, and I took this one out down at the bottom also, 13. My expansion valve was back up in here. Once I onboarded that with my 13. And plus I had to get 2. And the new one is right here. Need to put this camera down and get it on there. Okay, I got the new one in place and we're ready to roll. Oh, that looks so thinner. Okay, that's what they gave me. Okay, I got my wire harness repaired. Ready to go back there, looking good. Okay, I got my wire harness repaired. Ready to go back there, looking good. I'm gonna use this piece I got from the salvage yard for a demo. Turn to the left to get it out, turn to the right to get it back in. So I did the wrong thing. There it is. Shake the valve. Got everything back in place, all my lines reconnected, expansion valve installed, AC compressor installed, got a vacuum on the system. Just waiting about 45 minutes until my lines are clear, then we're going to turn it off and see if there are any leaks, but there you go. Just gave my AC system a work over or makeover or flush out, whatever you want to call it.